Alright, it's early in the morning. Haven't done a lot of videos lately, and the ones I have didn't really come out well. But I got something kind of cool here today. It's for the pool. It's called a Prihrana pole. Let me check it out. Camera. Power pole by Prihrana. Has this little clip right here, which moves the pole up and down, so it locks in place. Pretty sturdy pole. And if you're used to those other poles with the screws, you know, once you start pushing it, it just collapses. So here I have, it's like a whale's tail brush. The force of the water while you push it just keeps it down. I'm pressing with some pretty good force, and it ain't going nowhere. That pole is in place. So the power pole by Prihrana is pretty good. You can really brush it really well. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Got the solar skimmer there, as always, the beta. Let me put this bad boy up on the thing right here, then I'll be easy. All right. I'm gonna clean the spa later today, so maybe I'll get a video on that. But this right here, you just press in. All right, you press in and you hear it click. See? It ain't going nowhere. These other poles I have, they're not that good. I got the one from the whale's tail brush thing, the whale brush. The whale brush pole sucked. This one here, not sure where it came from. Came from one of the pool builders we use. It's not bad, but it still just messes up. I just use that one. It's good enough for the net. But the power pole by Prihrana, I'll say it's a must. It's a little pricey. I got it at Leslie for like $120. Not bad. For me, it's well worth it. I like to brush the pool at least 2 to 3 times a week. Makes it easy just because the pool doesn't keep collapsing when you're brushing. Alright, hopefully we'll get some more videos coming soon. Winter's coming in. Well, fall, I guess. Fuck it, fall. That'd be pretty good. I gotta finish the fence up, hit up the murder room. I gotta buy a new lawnmower. Big saga with that thing. Nothing from Greenworks, more of a user error. So I'll be getting a new lawnmower. And then hopefully we got some cool stuff starting soon. Take you with some trips with us. About to get a laptop. I'll be doing some more video editing for the 360 camera. And I'll really start showing you around the area, guys. Alright, be easy. Just some more footage. Pushing it, it's about 8.5 feet deep right there. And I'm pushing it pretty solidly. You can see from the speed. It's definitely a sturdy pole. Power pole. Sounds like a porn name. Power pole. But yeah, it works good. Like I said, I'm pushing it with some good force with that brush. Definitely nice. You can see how sturdy the pole is. It's not cheap. Definitely, it's not going to collapse. And we're making way. You can tell. Pushing it pretty good how fast I am from the sidewalk. How much I'm moving quickly on the tile. Alright, let's put it back down. Boom. Alright, if you guys are interested, it's the power pole Prihrana. Leslie Pool had it. Obviously, you can always buy it online. Be easy.